This is Karen coming to you from Hollywood and Vine. I'm here today with the band Enemy Among Us. And who are Enemy Among Us, and how did you get the gig? How did you get the gig?
Well, so we applied to be an entertainment act for this year, and Tiffany at LA Marathon hooked it up, and we are here, and we are ready to rock the stage from 7:45 to 10:15. And yeah, there we go.
Good morning, LA.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Holy crap.
And what kind of music do you play?
It's kind of hard rock.
A little bit of alternative. Kind of mix it up a bit.
Originals?
Mostly originals.
Mostly originals.
Some covers. But mostly
Today we'll do a little bit of covers too. Yeah.
So what kind of covers do you do?
Some hard rock.
Some hard rock. A couple punk rock.
Some Motley Crue.
You guys have to check it out to find out. Yeah.
And what's your website?
www.enemyamongus.net.
And what about Facebook, Twitter, Instagram?
Facebook.com/enemyamongus band. Twitter.com/enemyamongus. Please go like our page. We've got some music up, some photos, and any other info you need to know about us is up there.
And you can also check them out on the Sights and Sounds of Hollywood at HollywoodHappenings.com, YouTube channel, Facebook, and Twitter.
Nice.
Thank you.
Test 1 2. Good morning. 1 2. How you doing today? Good morning.
And this is Karen with Hollywood Happenings, covering the Los Angeles Marathon.
That's right. Let's have a great day today.
The LA Marathon at Hollywood Boulevard in Las Palmas. Another one of the bands that will be setting up. This is Karen with Hollywood Happenings. And what band are we here with today?
You're Hard Six.
And what kind of music does Hard Six play?
Rockabilly.
7:45 to 8 a.m. About 8
Those are actually the band members. We're going to talk to them.
They get the real bass.
That's some teriyaki. I can't read that damn red sign right
Hi, my name is Karen. I'm with Hollywood Happenings, online community newspaper. And what is the name of your band?
We're Hard Six from Ventura, California.
And hold on 1 second. And what kind of music does Hard Six play?
Yeah, you can call it punk and roll. We do some old Johnny Cash covers. We do some a lot of like 50s, hillbilly, mixed with a little bit of rock and roll and punk rock.
And what do you play at around LA?
Around, when was the last time we played LA?
Hey, no press. That's our lead singer. He's
Oh.
in control.
Hello.
And where do you play at around LA? My name's Karen with Hollywood Happenings.
That's
us, Hard Six.
Look us up on Facebook and give us a like. Then check us out on Reverb Nation.
I'm sorry, what was your question?
Check us out on HollywoodHappenings.webs.com, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram and Pinterest.
I will do that, my dear. HollywoodHappenings.com, guys.
No, .webs.com.
Oh, I'm sorry.
.webs.
HollywoodHappenings.webs.com.
Webs.com.
All right, got it.
Will do.
Guys, have a good day.
Thanks for covering us.
Thank you. I wish you were already playing. This is a lot of the at the 12-mile marker, the LA Marathon, sound checking. Good morning from Hollywood Happenings. This is Karen with Hollywood Happenings at Sunset La Jolla. Today we're with Nolan Garrett, that's correct. And he's going to tell a little bit about what he does. He has CDs out and such. And Nolan,
And today we keep performing for the runners and spectators of the LA Marathon. Full group here, jamming out a little bit.
and what do you perform around LA? What kind of places, what do you perform in your opinion?
Oh, what kind of music? It's like a rock, pop, blues, funk kind of mix. Yeah.
And where can we go watch you play? Where can we watch you play?
Oh, where? Well, I'm actually from Tacoma, Washington. I play down here every once in a while, but you can find all my shows on Facebook or NolanGarrett.net.
was just 17. You know what I mean. And the way she looked was way beyond compare. So how could I dance with another since I saw her standing? Well, she looked at me and I could see that before too long I'll fall in love with her. So how could I dance with another since I saw her standing there? Well, my heart did move when I crossed that room, and I held her hand in my whoa, we danced through the night, and we held each other tight, and before too long, I fell in love with her. Now I'll never dance with another since I saw her standing there.
David, hold your sign over this.
Well, my heart
Hold your sign over there for one
when
second.
I crossed that room and I held her hand in mine. Oh, we danced through the night and we held each other tight. And before too long, I fell in love with her. Now she'll never dance with another since I saw her standing there. Now she'll never dance with another since I saw her standing there. Since I saw her standing there. Since I saw her standing there.
Oh, I can do it, but I'm you in a wheelchair.
Invitation that you sent me. You wanted me to see you change your name.
No!
Well, I couldn't stand to see you with another. Well, dear, I hope you're happy just the same. Oh, wedding bells are ringing in the chapel. That should be ringing out for you and me. Oh, down the aisle with someone else you're walking. Them wedding bells will never ring for me. Well, I've had a little cottage in the valley. I even bought a little band of gold, but I'll never get to place it on your finger. And now the future looks so dark and cold. Oh, wedding bells are ringing in the chapel. That should be ringing out for you and me. Oh, down the aisle with someone else you're walking. Wedding bells will never ring for me. Well, I fancy that I see a bunch of roses, a blossom from an orange tree in your hair. I'll never get to place it on your finger. Well, darling, please pretend that I am there. Oh, wedding bells are ringing in the chapel. That should be ringing out for you and me. But down the aisle with someone else you're walking. Them wedding bells will never ring for me. Them wedding bells will never ring for me. I said them wedding bells will never ring for me. Spider-Man, in the chill of the night, at the scene of a crime, like a streak of light, he arrived just in time. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Well, that pain is ignored, action is his reward. Come on, here comes Spider-Man. Come on, let's go!
I'm staying right here, I see you. Yes, I see you. You're right to the Jameson Irish Pub. I see you. You're in front of the Jameson Irish Pub. Right. So I see you.
In the chill of the night,
Here comes the break. All right, I'm going to hang up so you can watch the
like a
break.
streak of light,
Right.
just in time. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Well, that fame is ignored, action is his reward. Come on, here comes the Spider-Man. In the chill of the night, at the scene of a crime, like a streak of light, he arrives just in time. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Well, that fame is ignored, action is his reward. Come on, wherever there's a hang up, wherever there's a bang up, you'll find a Spider-Man.